For today's video, I'm just going to do a super quick video swatching 3 shades of the Rose Ink. These are the Blush Divine Radiant Lip and Cheek color. I'm going to apply them for you guys on the face so you can see what they look like. I'll do one with a light application and then one with a bolder application so you can see how the color builds up. But just going to be a super quick video. I'm just going to do the swatches and that's pretty much it. And I'll let you know my overall thoughts at the end of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and do the swatches now. Those are the swatches of the 3 shades that came in this little sample. So I think that these are very, very pretty. You can definitely build these up if you want to, but I like these a lot. These are very much, I feel like, I don't even know, I feel like the first time I tried these blushes, I don't know if I liked them as much, but I feel like my kind of preferences with makeup has changed a little bit too, maybe. I used to kind of prefer powder blushes, but now I really do enjoy cream blushes and liquid blushes. Cream blushes I feel like sometimes are less likely that I'm gonna like them because they don't always apply as smoothly, but these apply really, really beautifully. I love a more like seamless, no makeup look. I love dewy makeup, and these are definitely very dewy, glowy. And I like that you can do a more light application of these, which is probably how I would normally wear these, or you can build up the pigment if you want. As you can see here, they definitely do build up the color, and you could definitely build these up even more if you wanted to as well. These are definitely very buildable, and I think that they just look really pretty on the skin. It looks very skin-like. These can be used on both the lips and the cheeks. So that's fun as well. I originally only thought of these as really using them on the cheeks, but you could definitely use these on the lips as well. So this is Anemone, really pretty. Azalea, Dahlia. I do like these, and yeah, so that's it for today's video. I know it was super short. If you do want to check these out, I do have this product listed and linked in the description box below so you can easily find it. If you do have any questions, definitely let me know in the comment section below. Let me know which of the shades you like the best, or if you have a shade that I didn't show in this video, I would love to know what that is. I'd love to know what your favorite shade of these blushes are. That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed and you'd like to see even more content from my channel in the future, I would absolutely love it if you'd go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I hope you tune in for my next video.